So this is like the coolest thing I've seen in a while. This is a bike repair station. I came over just to check out the trail. This is the trailhead for Charlton and Lovett, as well as apparently I missed something over there. There's a, okay, well this is like Ouachita Vista Trail, Charlton Trail, but there is an arrow over there, so I don't know if that's a different trail. But it's a mountain bike hiking trail. And this is so cool. You put your bicycle up here, and then it has all these different tools. You scan to see what your bike needs. And it shows you, look how cool that is. Bike repair station provided by the Army Corps of Engineers. And then it has a tire pressure gauge as well. Cool, very cool. And I think it's so cool that this is located right at the trail head. Very nice, very thoughtful. It's apparently Montgomery County Health Education Advisory Board, Friends of Lake Ouachita Inc. and Inc. Incorporated, and the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. But yeah, that's really, really cool. It's got everything you need to repair your bicycle or get trail ready. All right, I just thought I'd share that with you. This is the trail. I'm gonna wait till tomorrow to hike it. And I don't know if I'm gonna hike the whole thing because it's 2 miles to Forest Service Road, West 47, and Camp Charlton is 4.3 miles. So since I'm gonna be doing it round trip, 8.6 miles, that's a lot. I might just go as far as the Forest Road and come back. I mean, that's a pretty good little hike too, and I think that'll do me. Okay, love this. And I don't know, like I said, if there's another trail. There's an arrow pointing in that direction right there, but there's nothing that says what that trail is for, and I haven't been able to find a trail map or any information at the campground.